Hello, and welcome back to the Leece-Neville Technical Center. I'm Jonathan Smith, and today I'm going to be introducing our new IdlePro 24V alternators. These units are available in a wide variety of mounting configurations, including J180 mount, lug mount, swing mount, pad mount, and spool mount. These units are available for a wide variety of agricultural, bus and coach, industrial, and construction applications, including Van Hool, Cummins, Wright Bus, Dennis, MAN, and Volvo. They all carry a 1-year, 150,000-mile warranty. Thanks for tuning in today. Please stay tuned for future videos featuring battery-saving, innovative technology from Leece-Neville Heavy Duty Systems.